If I can't give a heart that's true, I won't give pain and misery to you. I want our love to be the perfect love.
Holding on to something that just doesn't feel right. I'm looking at you and I'm losing sight. I don't know why I can't walk away. Can't you just tell me that you feel the same? Baby, you and I, we're both to blame. But something inside me says that I should wait. But if this love is wrong, I need to tell you. If I can't give a heart that's true, I won't give pain and misery to you. I want our love to be the perfect love. If I can't give you all my heart, it's better we should learn to live apart. I want our love to be the perfect love for me. I don't wanna be here just to play this game. I don't want a man who treats me just the same as every other man I've ever known. I'm looking for somebody who will understand. I'm searching for the one that will take my hand. When I feel his touch, we'll be as one. But if this love is wrong,